One of the most popular features for the Triton Studio is the ability to mix down a sequence in sequence mode and record that to a wave to be recorded to a writable CD-ROM. And then of course you can play this in your car stereo or maybe a home stereo or on the computer. So this is a really handy feature. What I've done is I've recorded just a small kind of interlude of drum and bass sounds in the sequencer. I'm going to go ahead and play this for you now. So if I wanted to burn this to the CD, the next thing I'll do is I click on the Sampling HD Audio tab, and then from the drop down list here there's a function called the Bounce All Tracks to Song. And it's going to let you name that song. I'm just going to leave it new file for now and press OK. And it's going to automatically mix down and it goes through and automatically mixes down and records the entire wave, and then when you're ready just press stop and it flashes up that it's making the wave. Now this is stored on your hard drive now. If you press the disk button to go into disk mode, you'll see that that file that it just wrote is stored there. Now if you go to the Make Audio CD tab, you can write this file to the CD if you have a blank CD in your CD-ROM. What you're going to do is select the end here, and then the insert button becomes ungrayed. You press the insert, and then you can browse all the directories on your hard drive and insert these waves as songs on your CD to be written. So press insert to insert this and press exit, and now you'll see that wave is in there. And now you've got the option to write the CD. This becomes ungrayed once you have a file in there. So press write to CD and it'll give you a confirmation of the write speed. And you can go ahead and check finalize too, and that will allow this CD to not have extra files written to it. It'll go ahead and close out the write function, which is a common feature in a lot of CD burners. And then press OK, and it's gonna give you a little preview warning for writing this to the CD. Now as this is approaching the end of the write command, it's going to prompt another function. It's going to say it's now writing, and then it's going to go into another confirmation. And this will just take a minute because I set it to 8 times, and it's just a very, very short audio clip that I stored. And now it's finalizing. Again, it wouldn't be doing this step if we didn't check to finalize the CD. Sometimes that's optional, but for most PCs it can read it either way. But if it's for like a CD player that might be like in your car or some home audio, then you would want to make sure and finalize the write, or else the CD player wouldn't be able to play it. And now if we go to the Play Audio CD tab and we increase the volume here, also you want to make sure and bus this to the output of the Triton or else you're not going to hear it, so we'll go ahead and set it to left and right. And if you just play or press the start stop button on the sequencer controls, it'll play the CD that you just created. Of course, you can take this CD out and now play it in your stereo or computer as well.